Well, TikTok is over, but you know how fast our friends at Facebook are when it comes to adding new features to their apps. That is exactly what Instagram came up with, a new feature, Instagram Reels, a new way to duplicate TikTok features into Instagram without another country stealing your information. But first, let's talk about Reels. What are they? Reels are 15-second video clips that you can post on Instagram. They have a dedicated Reels channel and you can also share them to your feed. Now, this feature is supposed to duplicate a lot of the TikTok features into the Instagram app. And you know that I am an early adopter of trends, and I can assure you that I already got on this trend and it's giving me amazing results, so I highly recommend you to get on it as well. And why? Because I have seen that Reels have a high virality factor, and that is how I know that it does work. So make sure that you are taking advantage of it while it works. Now, in order to help you, I created this video to teach you how to create and post your Instagram Reels. Now, the first question is, where do you find the Instagram Reels? So first, you can go to your profile and you're going to see right next to the IGTV icon that there is a new one for Instagram Reels. So here's the first place where you can find them. And then you can also go to the Explore page right here. And it's going to be very big in the Explore page. You're going to be able to find it right away. So let's click. So it works just like TikTok, where you can just scroll through the videos and find new content. Now, here are some of my tips when creating Instagram Reels. First, you have two options to create them. You can use an app to edit your videos, like InShot, for example, or you can create them straight from your Reels channel on Instagram. Now, if you're doing it from the app, here are some of my tips. If you're running a business account and your content is more value-based, make sure that you are only sharing 1 to 3 bullet points or informative steps. Also, make sure that you have in your hand some bullet points or a short script. That way you remember what the content is supposed to be about. Now, you can either use your original audio, where you can just speak and give informational content, or you can use the music from the actual app. But if you decide to do this, just remember that if you are saying anything, people are not going to be able to hear you speak because the music is right there. It doesn't work like in TikTok, where you can just change the volume and decide what's going to be the main audio and the secondary audio. They also have a speed options in case you want to change the speed of your video. You can also use the same effects and filters that you use on Instagram stories, and you would do it by simply tapping right here in the smiley face. And you can also choose the timer in case you want to do a hands-free video. Now, just like with TikTok, you can tap on the main button and it will record a portion of the video until you stop clicking on it. Just remember that when it's time to actually edit the video, you're only going to be able to edit the last clip that you recorded. So you might have to be editing each clip as you go. Now, here's how to add text to your reel and how to choose when the text is going to pop up during the video. So let's say we are taking our reel right here, which I am currently doing. Then we're going to click on this arrow over here. We're going to just tap the screen and add it just like if it was a story. Now, this is the font that I decided to use. And here I can tap on the actual text and decide when in the video the text is going to pop up. Now, whenever it's highlighted in white, it means that that's the text that I am currently editing. Now, here are some tips when posting the actual video. The first tip is that you can create a cover on Canva before you post the actual video. That way, it's not gonna mess up with the aesthetic of your feed in case you care about that. Now, with Reels, you can also add a caption. I would not recommend you to write the longest caption, because if they are doing it from the Reels channel, they're not gonna be able to read it with the white background, so it's gonna be kind of hard to read it with the video as the background. Now, if you are someone who doesn't have enough time to be filming Reels every single day, I highly recommend you to batch content. And the way that you can do this is by just creating the videos, and instead of posting them, you can click right here where it says save as drafts. The good thing is that you can write the captions and you can have the video completely edited That way, when you are actually ready to publish, all you have to do is click on publish. Now, there are 3 ways to share your reels. You can do it on the Reels channel, you can do it on stories, and also on your feed. And I have been experimented with all of them, and I can tell you that the best way to do it is by posting them in both the feed and the Reels channel. Now, why would you not post it on stories? The reason why is because when you post it on stories, people are able to see the whole video because it's 15 seconds long, so it misses the point of people going to your Reels channel or your feed to actually watch the video. So I don't think it's gonna count as a view. I have also tested posting it only to the Reels channel, and I can tell you that you're not gonna get as much engagement or views. If you have enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up so I can keep creating content for you. Remember, Reels are an amazing opportunity for you to increase your growth on Instagram. Dedicate 1 day a week to creating Reels content and then batch it for the rest of the week. And if you want to share your Reels with a community of people who are ready to support you, then I invite you to the Digital Influencers Network, my free Facebook community. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos about social media, personal branding, and online businesses every week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.